there's a ministry of 1 and 99. Jesus talked about leaving the 99 and going for the 1. And that is where we pastors and we ministers will fail. We focus on the 99 that can pay tithes, that can give offering. We focus on the 99 that are already in ministry, coming to church, but we leave out the 1. My prayer, believe me, which I pray every day, is the ministry of follow-up. Most of us pastors, ministers, we do not understand the ministry of the 99 and the 1. To be able to be sensitive to those who are missing, or for what reason they are not in position or they're not in place, but to go out, seek after them, and to bring them into the fold. Is someone hearing what I'm saying? Jesus went to look for him. He went to look for him. I pray, God, that we ministers will wake up to our responsibilities.